Your question is, the diameter shows the graph y is equal to fx. Sketch the graph A, what they have given, y is equal to 3fx. B, what they have given, y is equal to f, and in bracket they have given 2x. How we will sketch it? That what is the sketch factor and what not? That we will see here. What they have given, see this. This is your graph. Original graph, that is your fx. So this we can say is y is equal to fx. Now see this, y is equal to 3fx. What does it mean? It means that if you write, this is your original graph, y is equal to fx, and they have given here 3. That means if you put here 3, what it will means? It means that whatever the coordinate of y is there, you have to multiply by 3. Simple is that. And x, don't touch it. Whatever the value of x is there, keep it same to same, and whatever the coordinate of y is there, just multiply by 3. Now we will just write the coordinates here. You can see here this coordinate. See this coordinate is 6 and minus 1. So we will write here 6 comma minus 1. Here this is your 3 comma minus 1. This is your 2 comma minus 2. Okay. Next comes your this value, minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. This value is minus 3 comma 1. Minus 3 comma 1. This value minus 6 comma 1. Now just multiply by 3 only the y coordinate. What it will be? You can see from here minus 6 comma minus 1. Minus 6 comma, 6 comma minus 1. So this will become what? 6 comma minus 3. Only y coordinate you have to multiply by 3. Next, 3 comma minus 1. 3 comma minus 1. It will be 3 comma minus 3. Next, 2 comma minus 2. 2 comma minus 2. It will be 2 comma minus 6. 2 into 3 is 6. Next, minus 2 comma 2. It will be what? Minus 2 comma 6. Minus 3 comma 1. It will be minus 3 comma 3. Minus 6 comma 1. It will be minus 6 comma 3. Now we have to draw this for this value. Y is equal to 3fx. Just see. So we will come from here 6 comma minus 3. Where it is? So 6 is here, minus 3 is here. So it will come here. So this will be your 6 comma minus 3. Next, 3 comma minus 3. 3 is here and minus 3 is here. So it will be here. So 3 comma minus 3. Next, 2 comma minus 6. 2 comma minus 6 is here. So that means it will come here. 2 comma minus 6. Next, minus 2 comma 6. Minus 2 is here, 6 is here. So it will be minus 2 comma 6. Next, minus 3 comma 3. Minus 3 comma 3 is here. minus 3 comma 3. Next comes your minus 6 comma 3. Minus 6 comma 3 is here. Minus 6 comma 3. Now join this. You can see it will come like this. Again at the top. Then here you can see here. And from here it will be just like this. And from here you can see it will again follow at the zero path. So this figure is your what? Y is equal to 3fx. So we can write y is equal to 3fx. Now, next comes your y is equal to f2x. What does it mean? So here you can see this whatever the value before the x, whatever they will give you, it will only affect your x values. It will not affect your y. How it will affect? You can see they have written 2. That means that your sketch factor is 1 by a. 1 by a is equal to, they have given you 2. So now you can see, if you cross multiply, you will get 2a is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 2. That means whatever value of x coordinate is there, you have to divide it by 2. Now, just we will write the coordinates. What we will get? See the original 6 comma minus 1. 6 comma minus 1. Only x coordinate you have to do, no y coordinates. Y coordinate should be remain the same. So now it will be what? 6 by 2 is 3 comma minus 1. Next, 3 comma minus 1. They have given 3 comma minus 1. Just divided by this, by 2, you will get 3 by 2 comma minus 1. Next, see that what they have given? Here they have given 2 comma minus 2. 2 comma minus 2. It will be what? 2 by 2 is 1. So 1 comma minus 2. 1 comma minus 2. Next, minus 2 comma 2. Minus 2 comma 2. It will be minus 2 by 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 comma 2. Next, minus 3 comma 1. Minus 3 comma 1. It will be what? Minus 3 by 2 comma 1. Next, minus 6 comma 1. Minus 6 comma 1. It will be minus 6 by 2 is minus 3 comma 1. Now we will draw this. Now you can see 3 comma minus 1. Where it is? 3 comma minus 1. 3 is here and minus 1 is here. That means it will be here only. This point. Same point. Original. Next is your 3 comma minus 1. We have to make 3 by 2 comma minus 1. 3 by 2. That is 1.5. So it will be here. 1.5 minus 1. That means it will be here. This is 1.5. Sorry. 1.5. Here. So this is your same value. 3 comma minus 1. Next comes your what? We can say it's at 3 by 2 comma minus 1. Next, 1 comma minus 2. So 1 is here and minus 2 is here. 1 comma minus 2. Next, minus 1 comma 2. Minus 1 comma 2 is here. Next, minus 3 by 2, that means minus 1.5 comma 1. Minus 1.5 comma 1 is here. Next, minus 3 comma 1. Minus 3 comma 1 is here. Now if you draw, you can see it will be just like this. So this, whatever you got in the dotted value, that is your y is equal to f2x. So like this you have to draw it. Just we have to keep in mind, whenever they will give you in front of fx, that means we have to multiply that by y, full y coordinate. Whenever they will give you like this 2x, that means that just we have to take the sketch factor as 1 by a. If they have given you multiply, that means what we have to do? 1 by 2. Reciprocal of that. If they have given 1 by 2x or x by 2, that means we have to multiply by reciprocal of that. That we have to keep in our mind. You will get your answer.